To create a seamless payment experience for your customers using Authorize.net, follow these steps. First, ensure you have an Authorize.net account and have obtained your API login ID and transaction key, which are necessary for integrating the payment gateway into your website. Next, choose the type of payment form that suits your business needs. Authorize.net offers a range of payment forms, including hosted payment forms and embedded payment forms. Hosted payment forms redirect customers to a secure Authorize.net page to enter their payment information, while embedded payment forms allow customers to enter their payment information directly on your website. When creating your payment form, make sure to include all the necessary fields, such as card number, expiration date, and security code. You should also provide clear instructions and error messages to help customers complete the payment process successfully. To enhance security and reduce the risk of fraud, consider implementing additional features such as address verification and card code verification. Address verification checks if the billing address provided by the customer matches the address on file with the card issuer, while card code verification checks the security code on the back of the card. Another important aspect to consider is mobile optimization. Ensure that your payment form is optimized for mobile devices, as many customers now make payments using their smartphones. A mobile-friendly payment form should be easy to navigate and complete, with large buttons and clear text. To test your payment form, use the Authorize.net sandbox environment, which allows you to simulate transactions and test your integration without actually processing payments. Once you have tested your payment form and are satisfied with its performance, you can go live and start accepting payments from your customers. Finally, ensure that you comply with payment card industry data security standards, which require merchants to protect customer payment information and prevent data breaches. By following these tips and best practices, you can create a secure and user-friendly payment form that provides a seamless payment experience for your customers.